Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Miss Cosmo International First Batch arrival of candidates at Noi Bai International Airport is generating a buzz of excitement among pageant enthusiasts and the general public. As each delegate steps off the plane, they are greeted with a warm welcome, reflecting the spirit and hospitality of Vietnam, the host country for this year's pageant. Noi Bai International Airport, one of Vietnam's busiest and most modern airports, become the first point of contact for the candidates, setting the tone for their journey ahead. And each contestant dressed impeccably in their national attire or stylish outfits, represent their country with pride and grace. The energy is palpable as photographers, media personnel, and pageant fans eagerly await to capture this momentous event. The delegates showcase their poise and charm as they navigated through the airport, waving to supporters and interacting with the media. And this moment is not just about arriving in a new country, it marks the beginning of a thrilling competition where beauty, intelligence, and advocacy takes center stage. And the vibrant atmosphere at the airport serve as a prelude to the coming weeks where the candidates will engage in various activities from pre-pageant events to charity works, cultural, immersion, and untimely, the grand coronation night with the arrival of this stunning and accomplished woman at Noi Bai International Airport becomes a melting pot of cultures united by a shared passion of beauty, empowerment, and global friendship. And the Miss Cosmo Queens have arrived in Vietnam. Have fun and give it your all.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!